Okay, you guys, the moment you've all been waiting for. You wanted to see our new home, and I'm going to step out just a little bit so you can get the full view. This is our, I'm walking on rocks, so it kind of hurts, but this is our Rockwood mini Lite, as you can see. So we're going to take the tour inside, so we're going to start this video starting now. Okay, you guys, now you know on Journey, our other camper, we were thinking about naming this one Journey 2. Not quite sure. Still got some stuff to do. Our garage was pretty small, but look there. He got plenty of space now, all the way to the other side. Excuse the mess. We hoarders. We hard to get rid of stuff. So we're going to take a walk inside. As you can see, he's got his little entertainment center outside. I think this is his TV from the other camper. Excuse me, his TV from the other camper that he was able to mount it outside, so he still has his little man space. And we're going to take our trip on inside and see our new little sweetie. Say hi, Mr. Noodle. Noodle's excited. He's been waiting to make his debut on the YouTube channel. I would start coughing as soon as I start this video, but we're gonna go ahead and get inside, and I think the last thing you want to see is me. So let's move on to the inside and look at the interior. Yay, move back, Noodle. Okay, so we're going to move back. We're gonna go inside and take a look at what's new here in this camper. Now, as you can see, I like to try to make things as homely as possible. So as soon as you walk in, you have the fridge, and that's this piece right here in front of you, and we have Noodle's water bowl and so on, and my lovely mat my sister gave me as a housewarming gift. We also have a pantry that is packed to the gills, and then we have the fridge as well as the freezer, and they are really easy to close, so you can see that right there. All right, so as I step back, I'm trying to step back, you guys, so I can give you all the view. It's kind of hard to see sometimes in here because it's kind of close and compact. So we're going to do the best we can. Here is our kitchen area. I absolutely love it because I have a stove now. So there's the stove. I always keep my little drain here. I can move it over here. And then the tops for the sink gives me extra storage, which I absolutely love, and we could put stuff on top of it, kind of help it keep neat and clean. And then I have my towel dispenser, and I have two of those actually. So there's one here, and then there's one over there. And so I like this one, so if I wash my hands, I could pull it down, dry my hands, go ahead on, throw it away. And then over here on the other side, if we are having coffee and we spill something, we can go ahead on and grab one down, clean up the area, and so on and so forth. Another little addition we have now is this little drawer here. I put the little drains here that I use, but I have three, so I don't need them very much. So you have here these drawers, pretty much dishes and dish towels. I got little Rubbermaid containers I like to organize and keep stuff. This is more or less our junk drawer, bread, chips, junk, stuff like that. The oven is a 3-burner. It is absolutely gorgeous. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then the oven is really decent. You can stick a pizza or something in there, so I really like that. Over here is our silverware, cutting boards. I like to cut up my veggies, so I got 2 new cutting boards. We got our hydration station, which is the coffee maker, and some coffees. As you can see, we drink a lot of coffee, so I got to fill those in so it's nice and neat. So next time you come in here, you'll see it. Hot chocolate, teas, so on and so forth. I really like that, so I usually keep that over there. And so the door catacorner to the fridge, which is this one, is the bathroom. So we'll go in here just so we can finish on this side of the house. Let me turn the light on. And so with the bathroom, now we have a sink. Before with Journey, we didn't have a sink, and you know, you have places for all your stuff. And I put stuff here, my soap and my little decorations on the wall and towels and hand towels and stuff like that. Nice added footage is the medicine cabinet. So as you can see, we shoved a whole lot of stuff in there. I really enjoy that. And then over here is the personals and stuff you want to stick in there, and towels and extra toilet paper and so on and so forth. Now this shower, you can lock it. I like that because when I am traveling, I can lock it and it doesn't open and close by itself. You just open it up and you got the shower that you can turn on and off. Preserve water. You can hide your little stuff up there. You even got a little skylight, so when it's a nice day, extremely sunny. And I guess I better put this back up here. So there you go. Yes, so there's the shower. So I'm gonna step back so you can see the whole bathroom. So there's the other mat, my other gift. So there's the mat in there. It's snug, but it is definitely bigger in here than it is in Journey. They crammed a lot into a small space, and so we are thankful for that as well. So we got the hook on the door, towels, my robes on there, and now the living area. So Noodle, say hi Noodle, say hi Noodle. So Noodle's bed is right here and he sleeps there. And so as you can see, my pegboard is here, my little message board is here. I love that. When I want to draw or take a note, I have my markers, I have my little eucalyptus, kind of give it a home feel. And then I just went with the eucalyptus theme. So these pictures back here are pictures of eucalyptus, and I got this from the thrift store, and I just kind of distressed it with some chalk paint that I had to kind of match the picture frames back there. So this is our home area. My honey installed the shelf for us, so we took the shelf that we bought and put it in here just like we did with Journey, and so it sits over the back. So we have the couch, which is awesome, so we have a place to come and relax and chill. And then the awning, which has a little thing we can rest our feet on, and it also has storage. So I have extra stuff in there, my Bible when I want to sit and read, some extra pillows and blankets for when we have a fire outside. We have a place for the blanket. Now this is where we rest and restore ourselves. This is the bed area. Not much to say. Those two cabinets on the side are where our clothes are, so you can just imagine how many clothes we have, and it is stuffed to the gills. We try to fold as best as we can, but you know how that goes. And here you go, the TV, our entertainment area. And that is pretty much it for the inside. Oh, I forgot to tell you. So all of my stuff is up here. So pots and pans, my Instapot, rice cooker. I have a tea kettle back there. I have an air fryer. And whenever we have gas, we have hot tea and stuff like that. All that stuff sits up here. So as you guys can see, I really tried to make it as homely as possible. It gets extremely cozy in here. I'll show you. It'll make it hard to see for the video, but I'll show you for the video's sake. So at night when I want to settle in, we got our lamps over there. We got it nice and cozy. Oh, and one of the other features I did not show you guys is over the bed is like a bay window, which I absolutely love because it lets in a lot of light. So yeah, we have our lamp over here, and it kind of helps keep things nice and cozy when you just want to wind down. So for the sake of the video, we'll turn the lights back on just so you can see. But right over the bed, as you can see behind the gray pillow, is the bay window. I'll get a little closer. And you can see out there, now it's heavily tinted, which is great, but during the day you can see really well as far as light getting in, so that works. And they have shades that pull down that are very good with blocking the light in here from shining outside, so I really love that. So all of the windows have that magnetic, you hear it, so you just push it up and then push it down whenever you ready for your privacy, and you do it with all of them. Now I would have preferred my own window treatments, but this is fine for now. Who knows what we might switch to later on, but it works for now. So as of right now, this is our new camper. This is a slide out, so this is what makes this space a lot bigger. and we could both be in here at the same time without having to sit down and wait for somebody else to pass by. It is home, and it is homely, and I absolutely love it. And now that we have Noodle down here, he's wherever his mommy is, he finds his way. So now we have Noodle, and it's completed our little circle of our home space. You can catch my next video that will kind of tell you how this all came about. I was telling, if you follow me on Facebook, you'll see that I was telling you that God answered our prayers through a text, and I'm going to give the little testimony, but that'll be in another video because I don't want to make this one that long. You could check that one out, and it'll kind of give you the history or the background or the timeline, whichever you want to call it, on how we were blessed with this brand new home that we absolutely love, and we find it very cozy. We miss Journey because we've been through a lot with her. We took her a lot of places, but we're excited to take this bad boy on the road, and can't wait to take you with us so you can see some of the videos and to show off our new member of the family. There he is. Yay, hey Noodle. His name is Mr. Noodle, and he will have his own Instagram account. You could just believe that. That's going to happen. And so we're going to set that up for him, and he'll be a celebrity in his own right. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you just got a little bit of ideas. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop that below, and I'll answer as many as I can. This was more or less just kind of showing you what we've done in this camper, and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free. You never know where we might end up. We'll be pulling out soon, and we can't wait to take you guys with us. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. Maybe in the future we'll do a little bit more detail outside, or you can go over to Hosty Travels and see his video. I'm sure he'll do something that has more of the mechanics of the camper than I will. I'm going over the aesthetics. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, if you are finding our video for the first time, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we just want to thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next one. Noodle, say goodbye. Mr. Noodle, say bye-bye. He says bye-bye. All right, you guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.